Today we're going to be talking about cutting out the pieces for our face frame. If you look in your design packet online, or if you use the one that's at the table in front of you, you will see that we need to cut out our pieces to the rough cut face frame dimensions. So we're going to have 5 pieces. 3 of them are 14 inches long and 2 of them are 29 inches long. So we're going to go over to the miter saw and rough cut those boards out. So here at the miter saw, we're going to make a cross cut at 29 inches and we're going to make a cross cut at 14 inches. The 29-inch piece will likely have to come out of a new piece of lumber that we got off the storage rack over there. The 14-inch piece will likely be able to get cut over here from the scrap. We've got the boards that we need for the rough cuts. So the big piece over here on the right is going to get cut into my stiles that are 2 3/16 by 29 inches long, and the shorter 2 pieces are going to get cut into my rails. One is 3 1/8 by 14, one is 2 1/8 by 14, and one is 1 9/16 by 14. Here are the pieces all cut to the rough size. Now we need to take them to the planer to get them to the right width. We overcut all of our pieces by 1/8 of an inch on the table saw. Now when we get over to the planer, we have to set up the planer so that these pieces can get 1/16 of an inch taken off of each side. We're going to start with the top piece. That's at 3 1/8 right now. So the circled number is the current width. Pass 1 tells us what the first pass is that we need to set on the planer. Pass 2 tells us what the second width we need to set to on the planer. To set the width on the planer, we use the black ruler right here, and it might be a little fuzzy on the video, but I'm going to use the hand wheel up here and turn this down to 3 1/16. That's the first pass for my widest piece. There is 3 1/16. I'm not sure if it'll focus, but right up top, so right here, this little indicator is pointing to the line that's just below 3. So 3 1/16 is the first pass for my piece.